Okay guys, what is up everyone, and welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Verasity. This thing has been absolutely it's been crashing. This thing is tanking, it's crashing. It's not really a thing, it's a cryptocurrency. I really love it. I'm really big on it. So don't think I'm a hater because I said this thing. Volume is up 81%. Usually when the market's crashing, volume is not up, so this is a great sign. This is a great news. Verasity currently traded at 3.5 cents. We got a market cap of $154 million, currently down 24%. 18%, sorry, I don't know where I saw 24, but it's currently down 18 to 20% approximately. So let's dive into the charts. Before anything, let's have a look at Bitcoin. We got Bitcoin dumping. As we know, when Bitcoin dumps, the rest of the market dumps. This is not new. This is very, very old. Bitcoin is the leader. Bitcoin is the king. That's how it is. That's how it's always going to be, at least in the next few years until the market matures. Anyways, let's have a look at Verasity. We saw a nice little rejection right here from this trend line. Okay, so we know that this is a new trend line towards the upside. Okay, a trend line, it's a good trend line, yes, because we could make another higher high in the potential future. Maybe by March we could be at 10 cents, maybe not, maybe yes, maybe earlier. We will see. Another thing I want to have a look at is the RSI, guys. RSI is indeed oversold. We are currently right now at 26. We know, as I say in a lot of my videos, we know that every time we fall below 30, it is oversold, and you want to be looking for a buy opportunity. Of course, this works best on a bigger time frame, so don't go trading on a 5, 10, 30 minute time frame and looking, oh, overbought, oversold. No, it does not work like that. I promise you, you will get burned. That being said, we saw a rejection right here at 28. What happened after that? When we saw that rejection, we saw a huge increase from 0.006 all the way to 10 cents, almost 8.5 cents. So that was a massive increase. As you guys know, I'm also going to be covering a few support levels that we want to be having a look at, and the head and shoulders. Let me have a look at this right here real quick. So this was approximately a 10x return on Verasity VRA. So things are looking very nice, very fantastic, nothing too crazy. Another thing I want to have a look at is a bullish divergence, guys. For those of you guys who don't know what a bullish divergence is when you have an increase, a higher low on the chart, as well as a decrease right here. So we have a decrease on the RSI, so we are making lower lows, higher lows, lower lows on the RSI and on the charts. This is fantastic. This is good news in my opinion. And we have a lot of room for growth, because last time we were at this level, look where we were. We were at approximately 42. So things are looking very good for Verasity in my opinion. We're very bullish. Anyways, that being said, this is a daily time frame. Let's have a look at the head and shoulders. This was the head right here. The shoulder, the head, and then the other shoulder. Now, how do you calculate the target for the head and shoulder? Well, you want to take it all the way to the top of the head, bring it back to the neckline, which is approximately right here, and then you want to essentially drag it down. Boom. This is exactly what happened. We actually indeed met our target for Verasity on the head and shoulders. The question now is, will the support right here hold? This is a very important support between 28 to 24. Will this support hold? We got rejected right here at 28.6, a little bit over below 3 cents. Now the question is, will this hold, or will we continue a little bit farther down? If we do end up breaking this could be very bad news bears, and we could potentially go back down to these lows right here, this previous low. And of course that would mean that Bitcoin would be crashing, and of course if that does happen, we would essentially be in a bear market, unfortunately. But let's have a look at the good sides. Bitcoin is on a good note right now, currently traded at 48,483. Look at that. This is this level right here, 48,000. It has to stay above this level in my opinion, because if not, then it's bad news bears for us, of course. Let's collapse this real quick. So if we collapse that and we have a look at the exponential moving average on Bitcoin, we know that we got rejected right here on the weekly time frame by the 55 EMA. So if we close below this level, which is 42,000 approximately, that will be bad news, because not only are we going to be below the support level, we're going to be below this level, we're going to be below the 55 exponential moving level, and we're going to most likely come back and retest the 31,000 because there's no more support to hold us there. Another thing I want to have a look at is the 200 moving average, but of course not on the weekly time frame, because it would essentially be at 18,000. Let's have a look on the weekly average, the 200 exponential moving average on the daily time frame. This is the 200 MA on the daily time frame. For those of you guys who've been following crypto for quite some time, we know that this is a huge level and a huge move. So whether we close below or above it will dictate what happens next. We saw it come back down, rejected. We saw it retested, kissed it, whatever you guys want to call it, a few times, and it's been holding up nicely until now. So we had that test already. We went through it like butter, but we didn't close below it, so it doesn't count. And same thing for VRA, guys. Guys, look how beautiful this is. This is another thing that I want to have a look at for VRA. The 200 moving average right here, okay, is exactly where we're sitting. We still haven't closed below, so this is a good buy. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice, and always do your own research and due diligence, but this is a fantastic buy in my opinion. I just bought more VRAs. Once again, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. This is for educational purpose only. Yes, this market's a little bit bloody, but we must not panic. We must keep going, keep learning, keep accumulating, because this is the future. Anyways, guys, this is my video for today. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.